Hello friends, let's get started by making a chatbot for customer help desk by Smart Document Understanding. I will show you a working example of a web app that utilizes multiple IBM Watson services to create a better customer care experience. As you can see, this is IBM dashboard to which you can log in through your credentials. Okay. Now I will be moving to the first IBM services which I have used, that is IBM Watson Assistant. So what does IBM Assistant do is it will build a conversation between the customer and company representatives. It will having a lot of facts in it, just like intents, entities, dialogues, options, analytics, version, and content catalog. Okay, so these questions are like statically answered in this dialogue section like this. Okay, so it works like an if else condition. So let us check how is it working in this. Okay, so we can go to try it out section and then check it out that it will working properly or not. So I will just input just like hello, so it will answer yeah, good evening. Okay, so what we have to ask that how do I turn on heat. Oh, sorry, heat. Okay, yeah. So as you said, it seems to work fine, but there is one problem to it. That is when any out of scope section or question are asked, this bot can't handle it because those questions are not statically fed into it. Okay, so what this so then we have to use this IBM Watson Discovery. Okay, so what this IBM Discovery will do is it will take an input that is a document or multiple documents. Okay, so those documents separated into a number of pieces, like as you can see there are 78 documents. So I have only uploaded the one document and it is it's separated into 78 pieces. Okay, so that which I use the document that is Ecobit 3 user guide document. Okay, you can use any manual document which you want, it is only for the Watson training purpose. Okay, so I've used the Ecobit 3 document, but it made it into a number of pieces, that is 78 document at the end. But it is doing it in accordance to our requirements, like just we made the subtitles, titles, headings, and just like text, etc. So it will just separate into number of pieces. So basically here I have annotated here Ecobi 3 document, equity documents. So now we have this IBM Watson Discovery and this IBM Assistant separately, but we have to link in these two services. So for this we have to use the cloud functions. Okay, this is our cloud function. So basically what it does, it will create an action for the discovery part and then it will give it to the assistant. Okay, so in short, cloud action will create a link for the discovery part, and the discovery part then it will be given to the IBM assistant. So what will happen whenever out of scope question is passed to this action, it will communicate with the discovery part it on the assistant. Okay, so that you see this is written the code here. Okay, so what does it? Now to use this functionality on this assistant part, we need something else. Was it? It is known as webhooks. So I will show you where it is webhooks. You can just understand. Wait a second. Yeah, just like here. Yeah, yeah, this is okay. So guys, please make sure to turn on this webhooks, okay? Webhooks, so it will apply to it. Otherwise, the Watson not trained properly. Okay, this will cause the problem. Now this is done. Now there is one more problem to it. It's like we don't want our customer to like log into our account and then ask any question. They should be like kind of global link. So to build that link, we need a UI, and we will be doing that in this note section. Okay, so this is one. Okay, so here you can see there's a flow. Now in this we have the input. Okay, there's an input which is given to the assistant, and then it is generated an output can be shown. Okay, so here it is our this I have already opened this app, so let me check that it is working properly or not. So I will enter hello and get submit. So as you see that it will bot will answering correctly, hello, good evening. Okay, now we will check the next thing, that is your location of what is your location. Okay, sorry. Yeah, so it will answering that we are located by UNESCO at this. So basically this bot is properly answering. Okay, now we will check that. We'll just input and query, that is how do I turn on the heater. Okay, so you will just see that. Okay, just you have see that bot was answering from the Ecobidu manual. I will just upload it to it and answering that. Okay, so this is showing that our chatbot is working properly, so it is working fine. This is what happened in this project, is that we are using these four services, that is IBM Watson Assistant, IBM Watson Discovery, IBM Cloud Function and Node-RED. Okay, so let me tell you once again that what IBM Watson use for. Okay, IBM Watson is for like building conversation. Okay, and IBM Watson Discovery is for handling the out of scope question whenever it is arises. Okay, and Cloud Function is for their linking, and here also we have used webhooks, and then okay, and then we have this Node-RED section which I have shown this one. Okay, there's the flow diagram in it. Okay, just like this. Okay, so Node-RED section for UI part, so it can be accessible to all our user outside our account. Okay, so this is the working of this project. Hope you all enjoyed this video and this make you useful. Okay, thank you.